Galimera, Tiganis, everybody. All I'm saying is Galimera and Tiganis in Greek and Kalominas. So I'm wishing you the happy first of the month from Yokchi Healing Art. I'm coming to you to ask you, what is your goals for October 1st, the first of the month? Right? We all have goals. We all have desires. We all want to put them together. But if you don't understand how to structure the format in your mind with your proper suggestion, organization, how to structure it, how to literally visualize what you're doing and how to get there, it's going to be a bit challenging. So the way I want to come to you is like, in order to achieve your goal, you must first understand how to touch it, taste it, feel it, not in the physical world, but in your mental and spiritual world, in your subconscious mind. So once you're able to create that manifestation in your mind and feel it and live it within the mind, then the body becomes the physical aspect of that dream. You get what I'm saying? Then the body becomes the physical aspect of that dream. So when your mind is working a mile a minute and creating the right structure, right format, then the body becomes that part that now allow you to do that. So if you can't really use your visualization and understand how to create sensitive word, what, when, where, and how to phrase it properly to get your mind to like grasp it and feel it and enjoy it, it's going to be a little bit difficult for you to get the overall things, right? You may get 50%, but the other 50% is how to actually create the structural format that you're going to need to manifest your goals for this first of the month and then for months after that. But I'm going to drop my workshop in the bottom. Please like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can visit our website and please check us out. This is Dwayne from Yokchi Healing Art. Have a good day and adio. In Greek we say bye. So Yasu Philos.